Hello everybody. In this video, we'll see combination of Bollinger Band and CPR and execute with a strategy. Okay. So we'll see the strategy with example. Okay. So the strategy is whenever, uh, as you can see here, the candle takes support near CPR and then the central line of the Bollinger Band. Okay, that gives us double strong confirmation on trade. Okay, so in this case it is an buy trade. So we execute our trade here and we exit our trade here. Okay, so we take a buy position here and then we exit our sell here. And this can be used, either can be a swing trading or intra trading as well, but I recommend you to use a swing trading. Okay, that actually help you to understand the strategy in detail and increase your confidence. Okay, so and so we saw this as an example, right? There's a one more example which actually, so here also there is an example, I mean one more call, I mean the trigger is there. So the candle takes a support near CPR and then middle line of the Bollinger Band. Okay, so the stock went up and then we can exit our second buy position here. When we take a buy position here and then we exit our buy position here. Okay, so as you can see here, there are many other things to get confirmed here. As I told you, one narrow CPR and then we are taking support near this central line of the Bollinger Band. Okay, that is a two confirmation which we discussed. One is narrow CPR and the other is central line taking. I mean the candle takes in support near the central line. Okay, and the third is what I can say is it is an ascending CPR. Okay, so that gives us a more confident on, okay, this there is a even more high probability of a stock, I mean the price going up. Okay, so that is our third confirmation, and I can tell you there is a one more confirmation which is the fourth confirmation, and that actually gives us very high probable and huge profit trade. Okay, so that is, as you can see here, there is a skews in the Bollinger Band. Okay, and then there is a breakout. So if you see a setup like this, which is which I can say a must trade setup is, it is a narrow CPI one, it takes support near central Bollinger Band, it is an ascending CPR, it is a skews breakout. So and see the trend. Okay, it moved drastically when compared with other moves. Okay, so others also a valuable trade, but if you want to know the high probable trade, then I can say this is an right example. Okay, just to recap, one narrow CPR, I will write here narrow CPR. Second, take supports at Bollinger Band central line, and third is an ascending CPR, and fourth is the skews of Bollinger Band. Okay, so these are the four I can say setups, and if you find any trade which satisfy all these four, then that is an high probable trade and that gives you a huge money in this market. Okay, so this is the setup. We'll see with more examples. So as I told you, this is an narrow CPR, first one, ascending CPR. There is a skews breakout here which have the take support between the candles. So we have all four conditions satisfying, and see the movement in the price. From here we exit somewhere here. Okay, and yeah, so one more sell here. For sell, it is an descending CPR, skews breakout, take support near the central line under the CPR, So we satisfied all four conditions and see the downtrend in the market. We exit our position somewhere here. So we sold somewhere around 230, 240, and then we exit around 160 or 170. Okay, and this is in the span of how many months? From Feb to midweek. So in a span of 1.5 months, we took. I mean, we made around 40 percentage profit. Okay, and as you guys know, if you even watched in my previous video, the all the examples which I'm explaining or the Nifty 100 or Nifty 50 stocks, nothing below that. That is to give the confidence that whatever trade we are doing is in fundamentally strong stocks. Okay, even if a strategy fails also, it won't give us much loss. Okay, that is the more advantage of all of my strategies. If we win, we win huge. If we lose very less. Okay, that's the underlying of all of my strategy. So this was an example of Asian Paints, then Wipro, then this is an ITC, then again you can see it is an Maruti. As you can see here, there is a skews breakout, descending CPR. It's kind of a narrow CPR when compared with other CPRs. It is a wide CPR. This is kind of a narrow CPR. Okay, and the candle takes supports between the CPR and the central line of Bollinger Band, and see how long it went. So we took position somewhere near 9,000 or 9,100, and then we exited somewhere close to 7,000. So this actually happened within 2 months, 2 months time frame, and we made close to 30% return by shorting this stock. Okay, and if you're a beginner, I recommend you to go only with the buy trade. Even that gives us a good money. Only if you're comfortable and confident on the strategy on the buy side, then you can take position in derivatives and take a sell trade. Guys, I'm telling you, even if you take in a cash position, you are making a 30%, 40% return. I'm not talking about the futures. Ignore the futures. Just by trading in the cash segment, we are making this money. If you are taking the futures or options, it is an exponential profit. Okay, but I advise you to trade initially in the cash segment. Be confident, understand the strategy very well. I mean, see the strategy at different market conditions, get confident, then trade in the future segment. Okay, thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to my channel.